Hey folks, I want to show you how you could do some analysis on a product or service that might be relevant to your business. So I'm going to actually say that I'm going to add in car servicing. I don't know anything about this subject really, apart from the fact I've had to do it in the past or get it sorted. So I'm going to look at generating information regarding that, and as you can see straight away we've got the option to take this up and look at a option of seeing this in a search format. So you can now see I'm in ChatGPT, and you can see the automatically adds in car servicing as a subject. I'm going to now see what we generate instead in this particular instance. So we can see straight away it's looking directly at this particular area, age groups, etc. It's going to be providing quite a lot of information anyway, which is really good. And yes, I would like real time result. So we're now going to look at the data that's been provided. It's going to look at the entire information. Here we go, and as you can see we've got some direct information about MOTs, the average costs, etc. Loads of information. If you're building a business, this could be a solution. My name is John Fairest. You've seen this video. The reason why this video has been put out is I want to help other people identify information to do with their businesses so that they can find out more and research and develop their business planning.